really big step riding the bike. The feeling is improved. We are getting closer. Honestly, having the best feeling that I was able to attack more the front, and in the race I was happy with my feeling.
Il bike color's nice.
Questo lo metto qua?
Bike same.
I know, thank you, Stan.
I'm good. You?
This livery is super special. Colors are fantastic. That with the aero is super aggressive, and these colors are quite a classic one. So the combination is very nice. Now we have to see if it can give us a couple of tenths for the race on Sunday. Hai fatto la gorra, me l'avevo buttata. Stretta la tuta. Sì? Te ne hanno fatta un po' diversa o no? Non lo so. Non credo, spero di no. O te che hai mangiato un po' di più.
¿Lo guardo, Joan? Lo guarda.
Venga, 3, 2, 1, acción.
Bonjour.
Vigilemos que fuera no haya chicos.
Adiós.
Thank you.
I train a lot and prepare myself in the best way for this second part of the season that I think will be tough for everybody, but fortunately we have a very good atmosphere inside of the garage, even if the results are not what we want, but we are working everybody in the good way, so I am quite happy to start again this second part of the season, and also to do it here in Silverstone. That is a great track for me. At the moment I think it is not the rear grip the problem that make us slow. It's nice, the engine also. It's not so bad. It needs some speed, some torque, yes. But also if you ask a Ducati guy, maybe that's not the same.
You always miss a little bit of power.
We need
La replica de la misma moda fantástico, que es un tío fantástico.
Carla.
With us, so it's nice. Let's enjoy the weekend all together, and I hope to give a good show.
Come on, man, let's race somebody. Up 15 a bit now. Once, twice, finishing on 10 at 275. So, 300 pounds seated in the middle there. 300.
Luego tiene que prepararle, todo va a ser más simple. Pero podemos tener preparado más o menos lo que sea en el cálculo, y entonces cuando entre a cambiar neumático, ella está peleando la cosa. segundo, añadió otra supervisión. Podríamos añadir aquí.
Between here. To double check all the details about the airbag before they use it. If all the sensors are working, then we check the battery.
Introduce you something that maybe you don't know about our leather suite. Here we have this special part that is in Titan and is protected for slide when you crashed and you hit the tarmac. Then inside also we have all the airbag that cover all this upper part. Here we can see the lights of the GPS, and if the airbag is ready and engage it with these two buttons. Okay. When I have the leather is easier. So this is the back of the leather. It's really great design, really old style. Here we can have a camel bag, so we can put water, and also here we have all the electronic part of the airbag. I would like to have everything lighter as possible, but always with a lot of safety.